Welcome to this video, where I will show you how to add your bio in the Clubhouse app. Having a complete and clear bio is important because it helps others quickly understand who you are and what you do. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set it up correctly. First, open the Clubhouse app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile icon at the top. Next, you will see your profile page. Here, you will notice the option to add a bio. Tap on the Add Bio button to begin editing your personal information. Then, type your bio in the text box. You can write about your interests, your profession, or anything you want others to know when they visit your profile. Keep your bio clear and engaging to leave a good impression. Finally, after you finish writing, tap on Done to save your changes. Your bio will now appear on your profile, making it easier for others to connect with you. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks for watching.